How to install macOS Ventura 13.0. To install the macOS Ventura 13.0 update, launch the App Store and navigate to the Updates section. Then, in the list of available updates, locate the macOS X Ventura 13.0 update and click the Install button next to it. Installing macOS Ventura requires 2 steps. First, you must download the installer from the Apple website, and then you must install it on your machine. 1. Get the macOS Ventura installer. Navigate to the Apple website and select the download option from macOS Ventura. This will start the installation process on your computer. Point 2. Download and install macOS Ventura. When the download is finished, double-click the installer file to begin the installation. To finish the installation, simply follow the on-screen directions. Install macOS 13 Ventura from the Software Update menu. After you've confirmed that you have adequate storage space, navigate to System Settings, General Software Update, and check for updates. You should be prompted to install the macOS 13 Ventura update. Begin the download. 1. Download and install macOS Ventura 13.0 from the Mac App Store. 2. Open the downloaded file by double-clicking it, then follow the on-screen instructions to install macOS Ventura 13.0.